right, sixth graders. This is to help you with question 4 on CR 15 version B. It says an 8-hour trip is divided into 3 parts. How many hours in each part? All right, well, hopefully when you say divided into 3 parts, you can see you're just taking your total of 8 and dividing it by 3. A visual for that, you could always draw a tape diagram. So you have 8, it's an 8-hour trip, and you're dividing into 1, 2, 3 parts. And the question is, how many hours in each part? So if we're doing 8 divided by 3, you just do 3 into 8. How many times does 3 go into 8? 3 goes into 8 twice. 2 times 3 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. So at this point, back in the day, you used to write a remainder, so it would be 2 remainder 2. But now you're like, oh, my answers are mixed numbers. So once you have this 2 here, you have 2 left over out of the 3 you originally started with. So that's 2 2/3 hours for each leg of that trip. And just to show you, 8 divided by 3, we could write that as 8/3. If I draw a visual for 8/3, if I take my 8/3, 8 divided by 3 just means 8 divided by 3, 8/3, and I drew a visual for that. All right, well there in my first circle, I have 1, 2, 3/3. In my next circle, I have 3 more thirds. If I had a total of 3 circles, I'd be up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 thirds, but I only need 8 thirds. So I only, out of this last circle, I really only needed 2/3 of it. So that's 1, 2, and 2/3. That's 1 whole circle, that's a second whole circle, and then I have 2/3 of a circle. Oops, sorry about that. This might be confusing. Maybe I'll just put 1 whole circle. 1 plus 1 plus 2/3 of another is 2 2/3. All right, I hope that helps.